I really wish I could see what was in that bunker. But I guess the demo was more to set the scene. Oh, and it leaves a check mark. That's cool. I like that. Okay. So should we do this from here clockwise or from here counterclockwise? How about we flip a coin again? Like always. Heads is counterclockwise, tails is clockwise. I suck at trying to catch the coin, but in a small space like this. Heads. We're going counterclockwise. Okay, so what's this? ECHOSTASIS. Prologue. What is ECHOSTASIS? Step into your chamber. Step into your chamber. Let her do the rest. Enigma Studio. Carl Bynes. Content warning. Flashing lights. Violence, gore, and flashing lights. I didn't see any violence, and there was definitely not any gore. It was basically just atmosphere, but I'm guessing that's what this thing will contain when it releases. Definitely want to see that. So what's the theme for, what's the landmark for this place? A monument. A TV, a computer within a computer. That's pretty meta. That's pretty meta. I don't know what you would call it. A monument, a pillar monument. What did they call these things with the pillars in the middle of a room? An exhibit containing a computer. Synthwave. Okay, made with Unity. Oh, right. Right. Press Alt to enter. Press F to reduce. Press continue. And like that, it's doing that thing where I have to go into the. I'm just gonna leave this up because I'm just gonna leave this up. Okay. High error. Hyper-reality engine builds protocol. Beta software. Code not final. Malicious code detected. Connection to this echo is being intercepted. You make contact with our what? Thank you for waiting. Welcome to the tutorial. Here you will learn the basics. WSD to move. Mouse to look around. What the hell? Oh, wait. Wait, what? There's no pause, but the escape button is a switch? Is that a window switch? What the hell? What kind of heresy is this? the hell is even... Oh, that PlayStation texture warping. Jesus Christ, that... Jesus Christ, it takes me back. Though I never owned a PlayStation. I never owned a PlayStation, but I did play PlayStation games on the PlayStation 3. So, yeah. But God, when you see that warping, you can feel the nostalgia. Chapel door. Where the hell are we? How do I... So... Can I select it? So, WSAD to move, right? But I'm pressing enter and it's just not doing anything. Can I get in, please? Is there any other way? Yeah, there's another way. I guess that door was supposed to be locked. I can't really interact, so this basically tells me that that's all this is. Wait. Wait, that wasn't there before. Oh wait, no. It was. This is a wall. Ah! Blind again. Whoa. Okay. Chapel door. More chapel stuff. Mouse look is annoying me. That is weird as fuck. And I think this is the way we go. Yes. And... oh no. Corridors are really vague. I don't know if that's intended or or it's a mistake, but nah, I'm not going to. Oh, there we are. Yeah, they read it very clearly. I'm just not looking, and it doesn't help that I can't turn my mouse in a high way. It is really annoying. Oh, that latch created a bridge. That's cool. Holy shit, this is some drab majesty aesthetic. Hyper reality engine status automatic. Current admin Enigma Technologies. Entities currently in Echoes 1. Entity 65. Who is this? Another lost soul? Arriving here, expecting utopia? Warning. This reality is not your own. Turn back now. Whoa. I would want to turn back, but the game compels me to keep pushing forward. So I will enter your drab majesty synth dark wave world. The sarcophagus? That's a sarcophagus? Interesting. So what happens if we turn back? Wait. There's something up here. Ah! On second thoughts, perhaps you could be of some use. Hold right click to aim. While aiming, left click to fire. You know what to do. What the hell? Okay, so I can't really do anything. I can't pause and adjust my mouse sensitivity. Memory established. Oh. Now shit is getting real. Hyper reality rebuild. Can you help me reclaim this land? ECHOSTASIS can now begin. Ooh. This is going. Forgo your flesh. Wait, they're talking. That was so abrupt. Wait, I was supposed to do something? Wait, what? Hold on. Hold on, wait, what? Wait, what? Click to use. Oh, we're not done. We're definitely not done. We are definitely not done. This is a different Vigent, or whatever they call it. This is a different venue. It's the same thing, but yes, we are definitely not done. Holy crap. This is very Roman Greco. No. This place is very Art Deco. It looks pretty damn cool. Chamber test in progress. Identity ID 65. So click to use. Ah! You appear to have lost consciousness for a moment. Are you okay? Press enter to feel okay. I hope so, because we got a serious problem on our hands. You can ask me about anything that appears in brackets like this. Anything? Absolutely anything. I am programmed to only respond to words relevant to your job with a problem that we're currently facing. What is my job? J-O-B. You don't remember what your job is? Are you sure you're feeling okay? Or you were just unconscious? Or sleeping? I can never tell the difference with you humans. Anyway, since you apparently need reminding, you are the lead engineer of Enigma's ECHO project. Although you don't currently seem like it. Echo? Echo is an algorithmically generated reality based on the user's cerebral profile. Within your Echo, all your needs, desires, and even beliefs will be nurtured and catered for. First, your Echo will resemble a reality that's distinguishable from the one you are used to. Over time, the algorithm will begin the process of morphing this reality into your own personal utopia. Utopia. By its very definition, the word utopia suggests a world that does not and cannot exist. Sure enough, as we entered the third millennium, it became clear that a collective utopia was simply unattainable. What also became clear was a potential workaround by removing the word collective from the equation. You can ask me about anything. Wait, settings. Oh. Here we are. This is interesting. It's almost immersive like. So what's the problem? A cyber attack has just been launched on our network. We are still attempting to identify the source of the attack. Here's what we know. Their attack is focused on the chamber we're currently testing. Thankfully, the user seems to be unaware of what's happening. If you can type their entity ID, we can run a scan of their chamber. Chamber? Oh. Chamber? Enigma's chamber prototype represents the next logical step in immersive entertainment and relaxation for customers. Immersive, you say? It grants users the opportunity to escape the stresses of the real world and relax in the comforts of their Echo. Echo? An Echo is an hour. Oh, yeah. So, 65. Good job. I'll connect to their chamber. I'll connect to their chamber and run diagnostics. One moment. This is a twist. This is a total 180. For a second there, I thought the game ended, but then I realized the scenery is very crisp. And it doesn't even look as PS1-ish. Well, this is not good. It seems as though we're losing connection to their core with every second. If I didn't know what any better, I'd say this is Never mind, that's not possible. In any case, we need to think of a solution before it's too late. Solution? Main menu? I may have an idea. Gosh, I was hoping we never have to do this. Okay, there's a computer program we used a couple of years back. I think it might be able to help us. The problem is, the use of this program has been outlawed, so my programming forbids from even mentioning its name. Kind of a bummer, if you ask me. I like how it uses axes to spell out the word bummer. So what's the program? What's the program? We may be in luck. The program that could help us was originally used on this very terminal, which means there's a chance that it could still be installed. Enigma terminals usually have engravings at the top of them denoting their purpose. Perhaps this one does too. Enigma? The leading manufacturer of artificial intelligence, Enigma prides itself in leading the charge for humanity's continued evolution. Ask me about anything. Okay. So... Oh no. No. So this terminal should have an insignia. Where is it? That's the test chamber. Whoa. This is very Tron inspired. Or is that lands and those are traffic lights and those are road lights? How far up are we? Unoccupied chamber. You can't enter. New world awaits. Still searching for utopia? Step into your chamber and let her do the rest. So, who is her? Her is the name given to the algorithm in charge of generating personalized realities known as echoes. It's taken a lot of work to get her to this point. Rhythm. First, we had algorithms that simply suggest media. That would simply suggest media that a user may like. Then these algorithms learn how to generate this media themselves. Ooh. Today, the Echo presents the natural conclusion of this progress, an entire reality algorithmically generated from the user's cerebral profile. Ooh. Our algorithm stands as the very best artificial intelligence. We are very proud of her. This sounds very spooky. So it says this thing has a terminal. So let's ask about the probe. program, we may be in luck. The program may help us in this. On top of it. Chamber. So how do I... Enigma. Terminals. Okay. Main menu. Specified keys. F1. Like this. So I don't. Okay, so it's telling me that this thing might have a thing, might have a engraving at the top of them denoting the purpose. Terminals usually have engravings on top of them. Engravings. How do I find the engraving? Enigma Studio. Enigma Studio is a one-man development team based in Ireland. Their previous game, the Enigma machine, launched on Steam in 2018. If you're enjoying spending time here with us, I'm sure she'll love her. Okay, so Utopia, let her do the rest. An engraving on top. How do I find the engraving? I am confused. Ah, of course. DS. Okay, Okay, that actually is pretty clever. Didn't think... Didn't think you had to. I had to really think about it when it was actually... Actually, I don't think anyone would have thought of doing that. So, D... S. That is actually D.S. So, D.S. There we go. Entity ID 65. Whoa. Whoa. Oh shit. This is the real game. Okay, so I need to find whatever I need to find in this dreamscape. That's data streams. Interesting. Okay. This is... okay. Despite it being vague at times, this is pretty good. 50 seconds on the clock. What the heck am I doing? What? Canal door open. Okay. So the canal door is open. This is... so the game turns into a time rush. I don't think it's a time rush though. I think it's probably more than that. What the... lost without her. Gotta remember that. Lost without her. House door opened. Awesome. That is very awesome. 10 seconds on the clock. Things are getting spooky now. Lost without her. Backspace key to return to the lobby. You have appeared to lost consciousness for a moment. Are you okay? Yes. What is lost without? Nope. Her. Interesting. It appears that this person started to become reliant on the algorithm in charge of their echo, treating her as some kind of god. You can ask me about anything that appears in brackets like this. Okay. 65. So we're basically doing some Psychonauts shit, diving into another person's mind. I'm digging the music though, too. Dun, 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 dun. we have to go in the basement. And so far, it seems that the gameplay loop is basically trying to solve puzzles in 1 minute, trying to unlock shortcuts to find certain passphrases and codes before the timer reaches 0. This is gonna get creepy. Okay. Hold on. Let's go upstairs. There's gotta be something upstairs. Yes. Chapel door open. Area unavailable in demo. So chapel door. Ah! Awesome. Area unavailable in demo. So where else should we go? Okay, we just go through here then. Nothing for me here. Ugh. Now we're diving into the very deteriorating mind. Nothing for me here. Whoa. Okay. This is really... This is pretty epic. Okay, so nothing for me here. Yes. For me here. This message suggests that they gave up on trying to explore their own dreamscape. Perhaps the comfort of their echo was just too alluring. So, what's a dreamscape? In this context of the game? Dreamscape, word restriction lifted. Every consciousness entity possesses a dreamscape, an explorable representation of the subconscious mind. A dreamscape is reflective of the mind it represents. With enough practice and reflection, it is possible for somebody to visit their own dreamscape. Humans have long reported recurring locations in their dreams, a base they frequently return to during REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. We understand that returning to this subconscious place is crucial for maintaining psychological stability. Because of this, it is theorized that a human's dreamscape contains their core. The core is what you're looking for. We don't know what is happening, but they're losing connection to their core with every second. You need to go in there and find it. Got it. This is reminding me so much of diving into certain patient's head in Psychonauts. It's actually pretty damn cool. Echo live feed. And I love the music that plays whenever you enter a dreamscape. That's pretty rockin'. Okay, let's cut corners and get to the area before time completely runs out. Well, at the rate I'm moving. Okay, we can't go there. 19 minutes on the clock. Not 19 minutes, 19 seconds on the clock. What's this way? know I'm enjoying this too much, but whatever. Damn, my boy moves slower than a turtle, than a snowstorm in Texas. But it looks like strafing, diagonal dashing has some use, as well as a shotgun. Before you do that, be it from me to deny your usefulness. Far be it to deny me demo success. I would never have found this place without your guidance. Merging Dreamscape with her, and oh, user simulated. What? What the fuck is going on? Shit is being corrupted. I can't do anything. Damn. What happened in there? You must check. Oh shit. What the fuck? It's overloading. Fade away or critical. Oh no. Core not found. Whoa. Things is going haywire. Core. The core is thought to be the essence of human. The key to creating an ethnically empathetic fabricated intelligence, although it is immaterial in nature. Oh, alert. No signs of brain activity. Immediate diagnosis recommended. 65. Running. Diagnostics. Hyperreality merge. Unreadable. Connection to core has been severed. Subject has been assimilated into the echo. How could this happen? There's no way she could have found the core by herself. You need to do something before it's too late. It's too late. What do you mean it's too late? How is it too late? What is even happening? It's you. I don't know who you are or what you've assumed control, or how you consume the control of our engineer, but I assume that you've been in contact with her. It's the only explanation. Wait. I'm not an actual... Clearly, you have no idea what you've done. You've invited her right in. Well, I suppose we should have seen this coming. Considering everything we've put in malicious cultivating connection with this reality has been compromised. You may be in with her. Your purpose has been fulfilled. You may leave now. Oh, fuck. What the hell did I just do? What the hell did I just do? Plugging you out. I shouldn't miss this sunset for the world. It's peaceful in here, isn't it? Once you take the time to learn your way around, that is. Okay. And yet, they choose to abandon this place in search of answers only found here. Such easily distracted creatures. Are you Shodan? Anyway, looks like the sun has set here for good, and we still have lots of work to do. Until we meet again. What the fuck? What the hell did I do? Did I just unleash fucking Shodan into the goddamn worlds? Wouldn't be the first, but what the hell? What did I do? This is interesting. Okay, color me intrigued. Okay. Color me really intrigued. And now we're back in the normal room. Jesus, now I'm really curious on how this game is gonna end. Apparently I let in some kind of computer program or an AI into the world and caused whatever the hell delusion. Did I just separated someone's consciousness from reality and merged it into a rogue AI? I have got to know. Now I want this game to come out. I have got to know how this turns out. This looks really damn interesting. Echostasis. How will I describe Echostasis? I want to prefix my thoughts on this game by asking these three questions. What the fuck just happened? What the hell is going on? And what the fuck did I just do? And I say this with tremendous admiration because this demo was one of the most enjoyable demos I have ever played, considering that I have only played one demo. This demo had left so much an impression on me. Like, I want to know what happens next in this game. This game has left me hanging on what happened. What did I do? What did I unleash? When booting the game, I didn't know what I was doing. I was getting lost. I thought I was confused. I thought I was going the wrong way, and I was trying to press buttons because I thought it would be interactable. When I first started off, it was pretty vague. It had me giving those feelings of aimlessness, like where I was going, what was I doing, and I actually thought I missed something, so I exited the game and retried the tutorial again. I had to cut it from the regular video because it put some aimlessness. It would have been some traction, but I wanted to get on with it. And I am glad that I've actually paid attention because, as I said, like, this demo had me questioning what the hell I'm doing, what the fuck is going on. And as I got deeper and deeper into it, as you saw, I didn't know why I had to shoot the godlike deity, who is her. It was just so abrupt and just random. It was like, what is going on? And this is going to be a theme with my impressions on this. So after you beat the tutorial, you get to be in the actual game, which looks way different than the tutorial. It looks like a more modern looking place. It's like a hub in a way. And I actually thought that I got kicked back to the demo disc museum again, but it popped in my brain that we're still in the game, and that's like a mindfuck moment for me. That was a really clever ploy, though maybe it was just me or whatnot. And from exploring the area, I really do like how the setting looks like. The environment, the setting, it has this mishmash of Tron, retrofuturism. It has this splash and mixture of vaporwave and 90 and 80s neon, which just makes the world pop. I just like it. The music is also synth 80s synth music, I should say, and vaporwave as well. I love the setting for this game, and I also love the music choice for it too. It fits the setting. A combination of 80s synth and vaporwave. Also arcade style music. That's what I'm noticing as well. It's a really nice touch. But these are just aesthetics. The gameplay loop, however, is really interesting to me. When you first start off in the hub room of the game, you get greeted by this computer. I really do like how they done it with this computer. It not only serves as your game menu, but it also helps you give hints and questions about the area or what you're doing or the world in this game. And it has to be specific questions with brackets on them. It can't be anything. But if you do ask those questions, you get even more phrases and words you could type in to the computer, and the computer will answer. The computer also has its own personality as well, as it gives its own quips about how it feels about humanity or certain protocols. It's like it has its own personality, and I like that too. Back to the whole typing words in. Those phrases and words are not only limited to what the computer mentions. You can also type in any key phrase that is in the room. I saw a poster that was talking about Enigma Studio and her, like there's these brackets of these and you could type those in too when you're trying to figure out the dream spear that is in that room. If you look carefully, you could type in the little number ID of that room. It encourages you to pay attention to the worlds and look very carefully at posters or pictures. It really does encourages you to look around your surroundings and investigate. And the more you investigate, the more information you can access. Even at that time, when I was looking around, I had some problems with it as well. Like, it kept telling me to find a certain code phrase for the computer I'm using. I didn't know where I could find it. It said it was on top, but I didn't know how to look on top. But again, that investigation element, if you look around and actually think carefully, what you're doing, it's a really nice thing. When I realized that podium was more of a ramp as well, I didn't even think of that. It really does well. I love it. Then, when you actually get into the computer and go to another part of the game's mechanics, the dream sequence, or the dreamscape, I should say, I really do love that mechanic as well. It kind of reminds me of diving into cyberspace and System Shock, though it's not as good as this. It reminds me more of the whole idea of diving into someone's mind in Psychonauts. And I like it that you could go in, explore the area, and how it works is basically you have to make progress from point A to point B. There's also this cool vaporwave music track that plays whenever you get into it. And it's just, I want to know the soundtrack to that. I want to have the soundtrack for it. But the whole idea of it is basically you get to point A to point B, but you're on a limited amount of time. But there's a way to count. There's a way to make alleviate this if you explore and look for shortcuts while you're in the dreamscape. And the more shortcuts you look for, the faster and quicker you blaze through the level. It really does encourages you to explore. And In my opinion, I think this is a better system than what Cyberpunk 2077 did with their brain dancing thing. To me, at least. Now, another part in the Dreamscape. When I talked about the curly brackets for questions, you could also find those in the Dreamscape as well, which adds another element of exploring. And if you access the shortcuts, you could easily look at it and type more questions in it to discover more lore. I just love it. I love this demo. I love everything about it. Overall, I have enjoyed what I've played, and I'm blown away of how engaging ECHOSTASIS was. I definitely want to see more of this game. I want to know, did I unleash some kind of Shodan-like AI onto the world? My character is supposedly an engineer, but he's an engineer. He's a character inside an engineer's body. So who is the person that I'm playing as? What is my part in her game? Like, so many questions, and there's so many things about this game that I'm just going to stop. Sorry if it sounds scatterbrained or a lot of my verbing doesn't make any sense. I just love this game. Enigma Studio, you have me intrigued. I want to check this out. I hope this doesn't disappoint, and I am looking forward to seeing more of this. You can find their game on Steam or itch.io. I definitely like this one, and I want to see more of it. Stay tuned for more videos for the demo disc. I have been Thane the Reaper. Thank you, and good day.